I did all kinds of little stuff and stuff all over the place. And one of the things I also did is I was running my marketing agencies. And when I was running my marketing agencies, I was actually going through and working with lots of different business types, everything from home services to doctor's offices to, restaurants to you name it. I've worked with it usually inside of some kind of aspect of marketing. So no, I am not one of those marketing coaches. I'm not one of those people that sit behind the camera because I can't do. I've started things from nothing. And when I say nothing, when I started my divorce, we're going to go back to that part, because when I started my divorce, my parents chose my ex-wife, whole different story, whole different piece, but I lived out of my car. I started from nothing and built my agency up. Ended up going through a custody battle with my ex-wife later, lost everything, did it again and did it. I've done that like 2 or 3 times. We started, for goodness sake, SimplyBeFound during COVID. We started January of 2020. I just love to start things apparently during economic crashes, because when I went through my divorce in 2008 when the economic crash was happening. I mean, it's one of those things to where I have seen so much stuff, and that is what I teach from. I teach from what I've seen work and how it works. And I've built everything from a budget, from everything on a skim budget to working for a venture capital company where money was not an object and we could just go through and we can rock and roll it. I'm not formally educated.